Got a vet back there behind me. Well, I think it's the vet that got the 5.7 in, I think, right? It's one of those older vets. What do you got? It's copyright right there. That's copyright. Copyright. But other than that, yeah, and this is the continuation of that other video. Well, I'm probably gonna add them together anyway. But anyway, edit them together. But yeah, that damn, I was getting a whole bunch of calls and shit. Today is my birthday, if you did not know. But the recording of this video is October 2nd. So it may not be the day of. We'll see. We'll see. If y'all see it on the day of, then I decided to upload the day of. But if not, it's gonna be the week of. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, though, yeah, we cooling, man. We cooling. Somewhat cooling. I mean, but everybody riding out today, man. I'm telling you, bro. Scat packs. Shoot, I haven't seen a Hellcat yet. Got the vets out. The vet boys out, man. I seen what was it, SRT Jeep, Trackhawk, whatever. Well, I think I probably saw it was a Trackhawk. So one of the two. They both got SRT, you know what I'm saying? But the engine different. But other than that, yeah, man. Shit, it's a cool little day right now, man. It's a blessed day, for real. Blessings and blessings. Shoot, but every time I put my camera down, bro, something going on. Something is going on. Ooh. Shit, I wasn't even planning on wearing a GoPro the whole time, but when you get some action, bro, you gotta throw that bad boy on. Gots to, man. Oh, man. Hope y'all day going good, though, man. Hope everybody doing well. Show me a link. I forgot. It's the what song is that? I know it's Bruno Mars. I forgot. Show me a hey, do. Hey, let me know the name of that song if you know what song I'm singing here. Let me know down in the comments. But I can already see the comments now, though. Like, oh, that RT hurt your ego hurt, and shit like that. But who knows? Motherfuckers might not even say that, but I don't care. Ego isn't hurt, but it's just that's why you don't cut up with random folks, man. Because you cutting me off like that, you know, even if you did put your blinker on, bro, if I wasn't going the speed I was going, I would have rear-ended him, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can't be doing that, bro. Seriously, bro. With cutting up, you cannot do that. That's why some people that be cutting up and shit, they be having accidents. They don't know what they're doing, man. They don't. Shit, that's why you gotta be careful, bro, whenever you cutting up, man. And don't cut up with anybody, any old body either. If you are cutting up with any old body, you still gotta be on your P's and Q's, man. Because you don't know if they can drive or not. And him, he or she, it might be a girl, because I seen a girl not too long ago on the RT. I just didn't have the cameras on, but I saw her at the light and some more shit like that. I thought it was a dude driving it first, but you know, I'm about to, you know, hit him with the thumbs up, you know what I mean? I'm like, the car sounded good. It sounded pretty good though. It was another Challenger like mine, I think. Was it a Challenger? I think so. I think it was a Challenger. Yeah, it was. Yeah. Yeah. She wasn't paying me no mind. Yeah. She probably thought I wanted her number or some shit like that, but it ain't even that. It ain't even like that, baby. I'm trying to get some content, you dig? And that's all I'm doing it for. And it's not even for content purposes, just only that. Let me not say that, because I enjoy doing this shit. Yeah, that's what kind of Corvette the dude had beside me. If I'm not mistaken, that's the Corvette with the 5.7, correct? Correct me if I am wrong, but I think I am correct on this. That has the 5.7 in the under the hood. But for real, I need to wash my car. Gotta wipe my seats down. Well, not even my seats entirely. I'm probably gonna wipe the armrest down, the armrest, and then the steering wheel. But other than that, I'm not wiping down everything. I gotta be careful, man. I actually scratched the steering wheel. I don't care what nobody say. I'm trying to keep this thing in pristine condition. Pristine condition. You hear me? Say it with me now. Pristine condition. Yes, sir. But boy, it's a lot of traffic today. I am not gonna hold you. God dang. Hella traffic. Yeah, but it's probably gonna be a short vid. Nothing much really going on today. Just a bunch of car guys and car girls, you know, shit like that. But other than that, nothing crazy. It was a little bit of a low cut up on the highway, a little bit, but I had the camera off. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I had the camera off. Ooh, got the police troop up here. Got two of them bad boys. And I know I probably said this on a crap ton of videos, but you know, from y'all perspective, what should I do to the exhaust right now before I buy my catback? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spill the beans if I already didn't tell you. I am buying a catback exhaust for sure and for real. Because honestly, I really didn't want to do the whole muffler delete thing. Because I know everybody does muffler deletes, and that's probably just, you know, yeah, you know. Everybody do that. Bye, though. I'm about to go stop at this Wally Greens, and I'll hit y'all in the next vid. I'm out.